I was about to say good morning, but I just realized before I hit the button that it suddenly changed to noon. Anyway, it is the 17th of January 2021, and we are all scheduled to go get vaccines today. So I will keep you updated throughout the day. See what happens.
Time to hit the road. Drive safe. Turn right.
Jake.
So that little segment may not look like a whole lot, but something very special was happening just then. Whenever the camera would move, or I attached the trailer, or starting the truck, all of that was done using the microphone on my computer. I did not touch a key on the keyboard. My hand never left the joystick. Even when I went to the intersection and checked both ways before I pulled out, that was all done via voice with a very simple $10 program. I spent the last hour or so trying to figure out why my computer will not allow me to screen capture the program to show it to you guys, but for some reason I'm unable to do that. So what I will do is I'll leave a link in the video description to another video that I watched for a different game. Basically what you do is map any key binding from the game to a voice command. It uses the Microsoft Windows built-in speech recognition, so sometimes it's not very good. So what I do is they give you a list of what it thinks you said. So I'll just take what it thinks I said and put that in as the command, because I know how I say it every single time. And that's what I've done. In the next stream, you'll see that I use one for the Jake break, and I had to use the word slow instead of Jake, because it did not recognize Jake, but it would recognize slow. So I just used that instead. The program is called Voice Attack, and it'll allow you to do up to 20 commands for free. But if you want to go above and beyond 20 voice commands, it's $10 for unlimited commands. As far as I can tell, it's okay on multiple computers as long as you're only running one at a time and they're your computers. But if worst comes to worst, you could just buy another key for $10. I think I may stream on Friday, so hopefully by then maybe I can figure out how to capture it and we can talk about it during the stream. Anyway, hope you have a good week, everyone. See you soon. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. In regards to the vaccination, I'm still here, 24 hours later. Unfortunately, I still can't walk, but oh well. Maybe in 2 weeks. Who knows?